Kashi Kashyate iti Kashi. Kashi, the city that shines, a place where time slows down, where life, death, and faith flow together on the banks of the Ganga. And Ayodhya, a land shaped by devotion, remembered not just as a city, but as an idea of righteousness and harmony. From ancient ghats echoing with prayers to sacred paths walked for centuries, these cities are not bound by history. They continue to live through belief. Here, every river tells a story, every step carries meaning, and faith becomes a way of life. Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth and welcome to Miles and Memories. So I got a very good response on my Scandinavia series and I thank you everyone for that. And today I'll be traveling to Uttar Pradesh. So I'm going to cover two cities, that is Varanasi and Ayodhya. So it is a very short trip, 3 days trip, and my wife and my parents are already there and I have my flight today at 1:10. So I've just completed my check-in, security, and now I am at the card lounge. Free meal. So in Varanasi, we are going to experience the early morning sunrise boat ride, the evening Ganga Aarti, the local cafes in Varanasi. By the way, the cafe culture is booming in Varanasi right now. So I'm going to experience that, and finally, the divine Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. So it is a 3 days, very different trip than my previous trips. So if you are interested, watch the video till end and experience the two beautiful cities with me. Okay, so I've reached the Varanasi airport and now I'm going to the hotel, which is Girja Ghar, which is about 29 kilometers from here, and it is just behind the Ganga river. And I'll be taking an Uber from here. So let's go. चाललोय आपण आता.
आता आपण इथे राम भंडार म्हणून चाट कॉर्नर आहे तिकडे जाऊया. हे सगळे असे ब्लॉग्समध्ये प्रॉमिनंट प्लेसेस आहेत जे मी तुला घेऊन जाते. मी ब्लॉग्स बघितले तिकडे रेकमेंडेशन्सवर आपण या सगळ्या प्लेसेसवर जातो आहे. आय ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लोर्ड 2-3 प्लेसेस suggested in certain blogs and they turned out really good. So let's see.
Perfect. So we went to Ram Bandar to have kachori, but it was not available. It was closed today for some reason. And right now we are at this Lakshmi Chai Wale. For some reason, even this place is very famous. It is famous by food bloggers. So we are going to have our chai.
ये दो ना बटर वाला 2 ब्रेड.
अरे मैडम कहाँ गई आप?
यो खोज रहे
आप ये बढ़ गई.
मेरे को नहीं खोज रहे.
Now it is time to go to Dashashwamedh Ghat for the evening Ganga Aarti. So the significance of this ghat is Brahmadev, he had the Dashashwamedh Yajna on this ghat, and this is one of the most famous ghat of Varanasi. And this Ganga Aarti here at this ghat is must visit in Varanasi. So let's go, let's see that. After the Ganga Aarti, we headed to the Kal Bhairav temple. It is believed that before staying in Kashi, one must seek the permission of Kal Bhairav, who is considered the guardian of this sacred city. Devotees believe that he protects everyone during their time in Varanasi. From there, we visited the Kashi Vishwanath temple, one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva and the spiritual heart of Kashi. It is believed that a visit to this temple brings liberation and that Lord Shiva himself resides here. Since mobile phones are not allowed inside both these temples, I could not record the darshan, but some experiences are meant to be felt, not filmed. We ended this long and beautiful day with dinner and some much needed rest, ready for what Kashi had planned for us next. It's 6:30 in the morning. After exhausting yesterday, I could not. It was nearly impossible for me to wake up. But we had booked this sunrise boat ride, which is going to take us through 16 different ghats, and we are going to this Dashashwamedh Ghat to get this boat. After the beautiful views of Ganga through a boat ride, now we are at Manikarnika Ghat. We are going to have kachori. So there is this place called Nilu Kachori Bhandar. It is one of the most famous kachori wala in Varanasi. Many of the vloggers have already covered this place. The weird thing I noticed about Varanasi is people in Varanasi, they are just obsessed with horns. They just cannot go 50 meters without honking. It's I mean the loudest place that I've seen all over India. If they're not honking, they'll play songs on loudspeaker. There has to be noise. They don't feel comfortable in silence. Very weird. It's 12:30 and we are already done with all the places in Varanasi, and now we are heading to Ayodhya via Prayagraj. So we'll be visiting Prayagraj for the Sangam, and I will wait there for maybe 1.5 hour, and then we'll go to Ayodhya. So we are planning to reach Ayodhya by 8:30 in the evening, and we have booked Kia Karens to go to Prayagraj and Ayodhya from here. We have already checked out from hotel and waiting for the cab now. We left Varanasi, and after about 3 hours on the road, we reached Prayagraj. From here, we took a boat ride to Triveni Sangam, the sacred confluence of Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati River. Triveni Sangam is considered one of the holiest places in India. It is believed that taking a dip here cleanses one of past sins and brings spiritual purification. This is also the site of Kumbh Mela, where millions of devotees gather to seek blessings at the confluence of these sacred rivers. Standing here watching the rivers meet, there is quite sense of peace, a moment that makes you slow down and simply absorb the journey. It's 11 o'clock in the night, and we have finally reached Ayodhya. And this is the hotel. We just checked in into the hotel. This is Harshan Krupa. Okay, so it is Saturday. We are starting our day at 11:15 in the morning, and right now we are heading to Hanuman Gadi, and then the Ram Janmabhoomi temple, and then the Sita Rasodi and Dashrath Mahal. So we are starting our day a little late today, as it was completely exhausting. Yesterday we reached very late and we slept at about 1 o'clock in the night. And in the evening, we are going to try to visit River. So let's see how it goes. Right now, heading to Hanuman Gadi. Let's go. After Hanuman Gadi, we walked about a kilometer to the Ram Mandir. Despite the massive scale and thousands of devotees, the management was so well organized that we completed our darshan in just 25 to 30 minutes. So we just completed the darshan of Ram Mandir. The mandir, the premise, and the actual mandir is absolutely massive, and chanting of devotees feels unreal. Uh, Everywhere you can only hear Jai Shri Ram chanting of the devotees, and it took about 1 hour for us to complete the darshan. So we had to deposit our belongings, including the camera and mobile phone, at the counter. So I could not record the inside of the Ram Mandir. And now we are heading to visit the Dashrath Mahal and Sita Ki Rasodi. So let's go.
इसको लगाना है क्या? हमारे यहाँ मूर्तियाँ एक से एक है, आप कोई भी वैरायटी ले लीजिए और सबसे कम रेट में हमारे यहाँ है। 130 में आपको फाइबर मिल जाएगा, 150 में आपको पत्थर की स्टोन की मिल जाएगी, हाँ आपका मेटल का भी मिल जाएगा। हमारा रेट एक से एक है, आपको सब हर वैरायटी की मिल जाएगी जो भी आपको लेना है, और प्राइस आपके हिसाब से मिलेगा सर, प्राइस में कोई कंपेयर नहीं है। जी, हमारा एड्रेस राम मंदिर इंडियन बैंक के नीचे श्री राम भोजनालय के सामने। जय श्री राम। It's 6:30 in the evening and time to visit Sharayu River for evening aarti. Let's go.
जय सरयू माता, ओम जय सरयू माता।
Okay, so journey from Kashi to Ayodhya was short, but honestly, it was very special. Every place had its own story, its own energy. I hope you felt it through this vlog. Right now, we are at Ayodhya Airport. We have our flight at 9:30, and if you have watched this vlog till here, and if you have not subscribed, do it now. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your feedbacks on this video. And if you want similar content in future, do let me know in DMs and comments. See you in the next one. Thank you.